Okay, I am here at the old mill. I've eaten here one time. Hopefully we catch a fish here. I might go downstream. I'll let them gentlemen fish. And I'm stuck. I'll try the rapids. Dang it. I should have known it was going to be a busy day on the bank for some trout fishing today. And that's okay, I'm gonna get out of everyone's way. Now, there is another spot upstream where I parked that might be promising. Whoop! Whoop! Y'all gotta quit taking your clothes off and leaving them in the trees, man. That's just gross. This looks like some trout fishing here. I don't want to spook anything in the water. Whew, still limber. Yeah, they're like, I don't know what they are. I'll let him have that. Oh. Something. Is that a fish? Did I have a fish? Yep. That's bass. Tiny little smallie. All right, well, now that I think about it, I thought that this was going to be upstream when in fact the traveling north with the west prong is downstream. So I'm gonna have to bother these ducks, man. I really don't want to. Excuse me. Sorry, gang. Now fam, you know I'm gonna have to make a cast here. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's another smallie. We're just gonna drag him over here. They are loving this. I'm gonna actually put him in the net. In the net. Yeah, I'm right at the I'm right at the go-kart place here in Pigeon Forge. That's funny. Man. Well, the title is definitely going to change. And it is not clickbait. There we go. Nope. Bleeding a little. Got a little smallie. Saved you from the geese, fam. There he goes. There it is. Something right through there. Unlucky. Oh, it's a bro, what? Y'all aren't gonna believe this one. It is the smallest smallie I've ever caught in my life. Look at that. There's the caption, or excuse me, there's the thumbnail. Look at that thing. Look at that thing, dude. Dude, this lure, I'm not even gonna tell you guys what lure I have so I can catch all the fish in the world. Like that's how good this thing is. Or maybe the smallies are just biting right now. Look at that keeper, dude. That's crazy. Oh, there he goes, hiding right underneath that rock. Whoops. Y'all, I thought I almost lost my lure. Then the video would have had to end for sure. For sure. Look at those little fish chasing after it. That's wild. Oh, I'm good. Almost fell to my doom. Fly fishing. Would I ever learn how to fly fish? Probably not. Would I pay for classes? No. Would I Oh my, dude, he came. Yo, is that trout? Yes, it is. We got it. He came right up to that lure. All right, let's keep him. Well, he came right up to that lure. Here he is, so I don't get my hands on him. Here's a good look. Get the camera off for you guys. There he is. He came right up to that lure, man. I have found the best lure in the world